guys? Just gonna be doing a real quick video on a Propel Panda microphone. I can't tell you guys how many times and how many different places I had to move the microphone around in my HJC i10 helmet. No matter where I put it, no matter where I hit that microphone, the video just popped and cracked after everything in over 5-10 miles an hour. So I am currently using my, I don't know if you can really see that, but my Arai Quantum X helmet. I bought this helmet when I first started riding and haven't really used it since, but I noticed it had a I don't know what you want to call it, like a chin protector, or like a chin curtain. So I think that kind of hides in some of the, blocks out some of the wind noise. So that's why I'm trying this helmet out today. See if it sounds any better for you guys. If it does, I'm just gonna start uploading off of this helmet, I guess, or recording on this helmet, I should say. But yeah, I'm about to go grab some gas, and I will see you guys when I get to the gas station. Alright, so completely forgot to hit record while I was in the gas station, but that's okay. So yeah, like I said, I was unable to get any half-what decent footage on my HJC i10 helmet. So like I said, I pulled out this Arai Quantum from collecting dust in the closet, and it has that wind curtain, so I'm hoping that the audio is going to be a hell of a lot better than it was, but this is the microphone test to see. So we're going to take it on the highway. I'm just now heading into work, so I'm going to take it on the highway, see how it sounds, and yeah. Hopefully you guys can still hear the exhaust note and all that. It's toasty out today, boys. Man, I forgot to clip my backpack. Come on, man. Alright, so we are sitting at about 40 miles an hour. We'll see how this audio sounds, and then we'll just slowly start picking up the speed. about 120. It seems like this bike picks up to 120 pretty easily, but anything after that, it slowly starts to struggle. I'm sure this is a little boring for you guys. I don't really have too much to talk about right now. I just want to make sure that the microphone works first. Because like I said, I've put this goddamn microphone in 30 different spots on my other helmet, and I couldn't get it to work. So if it works on this helmet, that is very good news. I've also got a Scorpion XO R1 carbon coming in the mail. It's honestly one of the most sexy helmets I think I've ever seen. I'm going a little spending happy with the gear here, boys. Yeah, I took this, I took the Yamaha. Damn, that plastic bag almost just took me out, the fuck? But forgot what I was saying. Oh yeah. I took this bike up to Lookout Mountain this weekend, and let me tell you, it was a blast. I haven't hit canyons like that in a while, but I didn't get it all on record, unfortunately. It only recorded like half my trip, and I used my other helmet, so the audio was complete trash. So yeah, that kind of sucks, but if you guys want, I can take it back up to Lookout Mountain, and I can take this helmet so I have the audio from it. I need to see if I can... Gotta clip my hoodie on it, or not my hoodie, my backpack. It doesn't feel secure. There we go. Now we're nice and secure on here. Well, yeah, I don't want to bore you guys too much. I still got about another 15. Damn, it is windy as hell, so now I'm really curious to know how this audio is going to sound, because it is windy, boys. Yeah, I'll probably end the video there. I mean, there's not really anything too interesting that's coming up in the next 10-15 minutes of me riding, but yeah, hopefully this microphone sounds better for you guys. I'd like to start uploading my videos with this helmet and just make a little bit more quality than they were before. I know that the audio on just a straight GoPro as is booty, so hopefully this works out. Let me know how the audio sounds in the comments, guys. I appreciate you guys all watching. I haven't posted a whole bunch of videos over the past month, but the views and the subscribers have been awesome. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see in the future in the comments, or how the audio sounds, and hope you guys have a good one. Peace out.